Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm headed to work. Today I'm going to Thika. Guys, I know sometimes when I tell you let's go to work with you, and I don't truly show you the work I do, cause you can't start vlogging a client for respect reasons and privacy. Yeah. Even if the client is your friend or who, for work reasons, we are not allowed to do.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well.
So guys, I'm thinking of getting JJ a doll, but I don't know what type of a doll I want for JJ, because at least right now he's understanding. So I don't want to buy anything girly because my son is a girl. So I don't know what I'm looking for, but for something to play with. Let me see what to get for him. If I got something with like something like this, it would be of help, or something like this. At least this is good, but now it needs batteries. So let me look around and I will tell you guys what I've spoken, because all this is toys, books, toys, clothes. Yeah, so let me look for something for him.
Okay. Send me a pin, then I give the delivery guy. Then when I'm there, I can actually check how much.
This is small, 100 shilling. Oh, at least. Oh, this is 100. I can get this one for JJ. But does he know anything about cards? Oh, my son. This is 600. This is 100. How much is this? 150. I want something touchable. Something, yeah, like this one. At least. This one is better, because it has. So if I bought him these two, like these two.
Okay.
So for toys, and we have elephants, spoons, people, animals, soldiers, marine things. All these are 500 shillings. I think it's worth it. Yeah. We have this shoe section. Oh, these are nice shoes. 1,500. Wow. Hi, good people. How are you? I hope you've been doing well. Today is Friday. I just finished my work. It's already 5:15 as I'm talking to you. I want to take a quick shower before the heat in my body goes off, and then we catch up on the weekend routine that I normally do. So let me shower and then we hook up. When I was doing the cleaning, this glass, the inside glass, this one was too hot. I was so scared it is going to burn. Like, I don't know why I was thinking it's going to burn. Anyway, so let me wash it. Let me first put the soap in and then wash it. I've put little soap here and little soap here. This machine truly needs a thorough cleaning. Even the soap dispenser needs a cleaning. So So I want to turn it to the drum cleaning and get to see what will happen. Let me close the door. I want to set. I can't wash this thing for 12 hours, but that's the only thing it's giving me, guys. Like, it's only giving me 12 hours. Like, okay, let me put it off and start afresh and see if it's going to give me less time. So it's only giving me 12 hours. That is, I don't know, the Celsius. Is this freezing or I don't know. I truly don't know. I've never gone into details to know what this is, but I know it's going to clean for 12 hours. So let's give it time. Is the water on? Yes. So it's like that. So let me give it time and then I'll let you know what's happening. So as the machine is washing itself, I want to soak. I want to be like soaking JJ's clothes with jig. I'd soaked them last night, but I want to soak them again and then put it in the machine to finish the washing. So let me do the soaking. I also have some t-shirts here that I also had soaked, but I need to resoak them again. I need to resoak them like 30 minutes. I can't wait for a whole 1 hour, like 12 hours to wash it. So I just did it for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So I want to put Gigi's clothes in the machine. Clean, perfect. It's even producing some smoke. So I want to put Gigi's clothes first, wash them, and later I wash ours.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐.
In the buckets, in the basins, as the clothes are finished washing. So so that I don't be idle, I want to do the cleaning. You see my basement how dirty it is. So I want to do cleaning. I normally wash Gigi's toys like after every 1 week. So every weekend I normally clean this young man's toy because he normally puts them in the mall. And then guys, I really want to know, as you can see my bathroom how it looks like. This is not that. It's cement. When they were fixing the tiles, but it's cement. And I want to know what can I use to remove those things from the bathroom. Because up there it's okay. But now, here, the tap areas, what could you advise me to use to remove all those dark spots? Because I'm trying to use Dick. I've used Dick, it's not working. I've used Vim, it's not working. Nothing is working. But the floor is not dirty. It's just that the chip and then the dirt that was left when they were doing the fixing. So the house stayed for some few days without someone inside. Yeah. So let me know what I can use as I clean this. Kindly comment down below. I'm done washing the bathroom and my buckets are here clean. These buckets I normally use them for Gigi. So let me go hang these dolls and then rest as I go to prepare dinner. As I rest on the clothes, I'm busy washing. So those shoes will be cleaned later. Maybe tomorrow morning. Yeah. So let me put these ones to dry as we wait for this to finish. Guys, I have one question. All the socks that normally come here, if anyone knows where I can get those washable bags that you put socks, and what do we call them, socks and feeders, please let me know. Put a plug for me, tell me where I can get them, and I'll truly appreciate, because all of them, they're coming here. See, they're all here, so let me know. Finally, happy customer, or happy baby, which is which. Anyway, Jay's dolls are clean, and the other toys, the ones are plastic, they're all clean. So let me go and do the rest of the work. Yeah, I'm back from the market. I normally like going to the market when it's a little bit dark, because there is no sun and there are not so many people outside. So I want to charge my phone. It's going off, and then I will talk to you later when I'm having dinner. You can hear still the clothes are washing, because I'd put on the baby care part. At least I want to see if JJ's clothes are going to change the color, because on the knees, you know, he's crawling so much, so on the knees there is that dark stain from it. I want to see if that will change, and get to know if it's the machine that has problem or it's the power surge that has an issue, because sometimes it's not even finishing the wash, it's not finishing a spin or drying up. So I want to see if it's the power surge or it's the machine that has a problem. But for now, let's hook up later. So I'm having rice, pishori rice, and green grams soup or sauce, that is ndengu. For those who are not Kenyans or they don't know ndengu, it's called green grams. That's what we're eating today for dinner. So at least today I'm not having a lazy lunch, but tomorrow most probably I'm going to have a lazy dinner. So let me feast on my dinner. I'm feeling sleepy. Of late I sleep so early, to a point that I even don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, let me have my dinner. We talk tomorrow.